To lubricate our machine, our main point would be the hook area. First, we remove the bobbin case, place one small drop right here, so that in this area where it moves, it stays lubricated, and there are no problems with friction. We reinstall our bobbin case. The second area would be the knife section. For that, we need to remove these two small screws from the cover plate. We remove both screws, and when the machine already has some use, this area here will have a lot of thread buildup. So it is recommended to scrub and clean it with a small brush. After it is clean, we place our oil in this area here, which is where friction occurs when the knife goes in and out. Once it is lubricated and clean, we reinstall the cover plate and put the two screws back in. We tighten them again. And lastly, it would be the needle bars. The bars correspond to the thread colors we have here. So, we are going to apply our oil on the inside where the spring and the bar are located. This should be done once a week and the knife area as well. For the bobbin area, it is recommended to apply one drop each time the bobbin is changed.